guys, welcome back to another video. Today's topic is the one all of you are requesting me to do, a cabin crew series. It's about what's inside a cabin crew bag. So today I'll show you my bag and I'll just set up the camera, get my crew luggage, then I'll see you in a while, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, some of you are asking me what's inside the cabin crew bag. It's different per airlines. Syempre, and I'm just talking about the company that I work with, the airlines, and the company. So let's start. So this is my crew bag. Yep. Let's start. First pocket. Yeah. The most important thing in my bag is my documents, passport, license, medical. So ito yung pinaka-important sa amin, buhay namin to. So next is notes. Dito I'm listing crew information, flight information, or yung mga airport names. So very useful. And pen. Second packet. Yes, it's true. I collect different pens in different hotels. Nangongolekta po ako. Why? Travelers, I'll give you one good tip. Okay? If you want your flight to be easy and smooth, please bring your own pen. Okay? Yeah, you can borrow. Pwede naman eh, but return it back kasi kailangan rin namin yung pen namin. Pero yeah, that's what I say earlier. Yeah, para sa inyo to mga passengers, para just in case you don't return it, at least hindi masakit.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, next, so I have my different coins. Yeah, so dito lahat barya. SIM cards, ito ko nilalagay. Yeah, part of our grooming SOPs is to bring our own sewing kit. Why? Just in case mabutas or mag-run down ng uniform mo, at least it's easily to repair it. So, part ng SOP grooming namin to bring your own sewing kit. Okay? What else? Yeah. So here, meron din, I have a shoe shine kit. So part din ng SOP namin to have a shoe shine kit. Then I have extra nameplates and necktie pin, just in case na I lost it during the flight. So meron akong extra. And I have also torch, flashlights. Part din ng company SOP namin, grooming SOP. So, we'll go to the main part. So, part din ng SOP namin is to bring your own one set of uniform. Dito ko nilalagay. Bakit? Just in case you have unexpected layovers, at least meron kang pwedeng ipamalit. See? One set of uniforms. And I always bring one set of civilian clothes. Jeans, t-shirt, underwear, socks. So, nandito na lahat. So, just in case na may emergency, unexpected na layovers, at least meron kang damit. What else? So, meron din akong pouch dito for, razor. Pang shave. So, kailangan always clean looking. So, I have also here my kikay kit, diba? Pang So meron din ako hygiene, mouthwash, toothpaste, Colgates, pomade, syempre, grooming, and lotion, hand lotion. Because if you fly often, your hands will get dry, so at least meron kang hand cream, lotion para to keep it moist yung kamay mo para hindi mag-dry kasi pag palagi ka lumilipad nagda-dry yan. Okay? Next is, yes, here. Yeah, I'm a tea lover, so talagang ang dami ko yung tea collections. Yan. Yes, kinokolekta ko na ito sa hotels, di ba? Yan. Yeah. So, meron din akong coffee. I think, galing pa to ng Bangkok. Yan. So, coffee tea, pero naglalas na ako ng tea, coffee ngayon. Yes, kinokolekta ko rin talaga. Okay? Yeah. So, this is how I organize my money. Different currencies, nilalagay ko dito. Yeah, you have the pounds, the euros, the Indian rupees, some dollars. So, this is how I organize my money. Different currency para pagka, just in case of emergency, meron kang magagastos. Yeah. So, here, I bring my own hard drive. Maraming movie dito. Bakit? Kasi, part ng Germany, Frankfurt, or Paris, yung local TV network nila, salita nila. Okay, language na. So, nagdadala ako, just to kill time. Movies. Yes, I also bring my spare footwear. Yan, siyempre, uniform, civilian, tsaka footwear, or sneakers. Yes, I bring my own beats para headset, para pang-relax, or pang-gym. Oh yeah, dala ko rin yung favorite ko. Yes, perfume. Yes, sobrang bango. So this is also how I organize my chargers. Yan, chargers, wires, tapos yung universal adapters, yan. Siyempre, different country, they have different style of sockets. So, kailangan may adapter ko. Ito, sobrang handy to. Ganito ko siya i-organize. Okay? What else? Yeah, here. Another pouch. Yeah, inhalers. Another inhaler. Nasal spray para sa ilong pagka during descending, para di ilong mo sumasakit. And so, parang medical kit ko. I have my own medicine. Okay? Of course, syempre, ito, one of the recommended na vitamins ko, yan. Si Lux Protect from Frontro International. Power, siya, sobrang ganda siya. Pure grade seed extract. Vitamin C, vitamin E, guys. Sobrang recommended ko to. Try nyo to, okay? So, those are the standard things you put in a cabin crew bag. So, different crew, different company, they have their own way. So, this is some of my extra stuff that I bring. Let's start! So, it's very essential to bring a yoga mat. Yes. Why? Because different hotels, they don't have any gyms. So, yoga mat, kahit sa room, pwede ka mag stretching or exercise. Yeah? Stay fit and healthy. So, very essential tong yoga mat. So, next, yes, I have my own, instant noodles. Yes, very handy to. Late at night, there's no room service, will take long time to order. So at least meron kang cup noodles. Yun. Sobrang sarap nito. Kimchi. Medyo spicy. So syempre, different hotels, they don't, sometimes yung water boiler nila is hindi gumagana. So, you need to be always ready. So, I always bring my own water boiler. So, yan, very rin yan. So, para pagka you need the hot water, instant noodle for coffee or tea, meron akong dalang sariling extra yan, water boiler. So, very handy rin to. Kasya naman sa bag. Huh? So, nag-exercise ka na, nagutom ka na. So late night, especially layovers, nagdadala rin ako ng sarili kong medyo, hindi naman, rice cooker. So, yan. So, nagdadala akong rice cooker para, you know, Filipinos wants rice, di ba? So, yan. Pag may ilang days kang layovers, so handing-handy yung rice cooker. Sobra. So some of my colleagues may dalang ulam, so akin yung part ko na lang is yung rice cooker. So at the same time, syempre kung may rice cooker ka, meron kang yan, brown rice. So nagdadala rin ako ng bigas, rice para kompleto, di ba? So guys, see, very handy rin na I bring my own pan, and ang partner niya is spatula. So very handy rin to, kasya naman sa kasya naman sa small Samsonite lahat to. So this is my way of preparing my stuff sa cabin crew bag. So it fits all. So always ready. Alam mo naman ang crew, kailangan quick, kailangan mabilis ka mag-isip, diba? So ito lahat ng what's inside my cabin crew bag. So guys, hope you enjoy the video. Please share, like, and subscribe. And hope to see you in my next video. Thank you, and good vibes lang, okay? Stay safe. See you.